Welcome to Favor Flow Restorative, where harmony is unleashed, mind, body, and soul. Welcome to the visualization meditation for releasing fair weather connections and cutting the energetic cords. We invite you to find a comfortable position, closing your eyes gently while taking a slow breath in and exhaling slowly and softly. Again, inhale calm and exhale tension that may be within you. Now imagine roots growing from your body down into the earth. You are steady. You are supported. And you are grounded. Now say silently, I return to myself. I am safe in my own energy. Imagine yourself standing in a peaceful open space, seeing a soft light surrounds you, calm and neutral. And around you, notice gentle cords extending from your body. These cords represent relationships in your life. Some feel warm and supportive. Some feel neutral. And some feel thin